Are you tired of spending hours replying to your customers on WhatsApp? What if you could have a smart AI assistant that answers frequently asked questions instantly, tracks orders, updates your customers, and even forwards complex issues to your team all automatically? So here's a quick demo of how the WhatsApp automation will work once it is implemented. This is the WhatsApp automation that I created for my Woocommerce website. Now, if I click on the WhatsApp icon here and type, I'm looking for watches which are on sale right now, you can see that it has given us the details of the watches on sale. If I ask for the delivery status of my recent order and enter my order ID, the agent immediately gives me the exact update. Pretty cool, right? So in this video, I'll show you how to set your very own WhatsApp AI agent in just 20 minutes. We'll use N8N to build the workflow, and I'll also give you a ready-made template so you can get everything running without starting from scratch. By the end, you'll have a fully automated system that takes care of your customer communication 24/7, whether you're running an online store or a service-based business. I'm Brad from Website Learners, and let's get started. To build a WhatsApp AI agent, we're going to do 4 parts. And the first part is to set up the N8N Automation. Now, N8N is an automation tool that lets you connect different apps and services to automate tasks. So to set it up, we'll follow 3 simple steps. The first step is to download the WhatsApp agent workflow. So to download the workflow, just click the link in the description. Now here you can see that we have a ready-made workflow template that you can use to set up instantly without building from scratch. In order to use this template, first we need to have an N8N hosting. Now there are 3 different ways you can use N8N. The first option is to host N8N locally on your own computer. The first option is free, but it is more complex to set up. The second option is using WebSpace Kit for hosting N8N. This is the most quickest and the low-cost way to host N8N. This costs just $5 per month or 400 Indian rupees per month. It's easy to use with zero setup required. You also get unlimited workflow executions and unlimited active workflows. The third option is the N8N Cloud, which is the official platform by N8N. This costs £24 per month, which is approximately $27. It's much more expensive and the features are limited too. In this video, we're going to purchase N8N from WebSpace Kit, where we get unlimited workflow executions and unlimited active workflows. Since N8N is open source, you get much more benefits when you host it on your own on a platform like WebSpace Kit. Also, WSK provides 100+ workflow templates for free along with the hosting. So to unlock the workflow template and get the N8N hosting, just click this workflow. Here choose how long you want the hosting for. I'm going to choose 12 months. If you choose 24 months, this gives you the best price, which is $5 per month. Then fill in these details, enter your payment details, and click checkout. So now we have successfully made the payment and we've got our N8N hosting. Now click here and you can see that our plan is active. So let's go to step 2, which is to set up N8N. So to set it up, click Manage, just scroll down and click Go to Setup. Here fill in these details, click Next, and it will take you to this page. This is the place where we are going to create the workflow. We've got our own instance of N8N on our own URL like you see here. This is completely private for you and only you can use it. Once you reach this page, this means you can now start adding and running your workflows. First, let's download the template. Just go to this tab. Now if we refresh the page, you can see we are now able to download this template. So just click download and the template file will be downloaded to your computer. Once you have the template, we can go to the next step, which is to import the workflow template. To import the template, go back to N8N, click Start from Scratch, then click here, select Import from File, and upload the file you just downloaded. And as you can see here, the workflow has been imported. Let's change the name of the workflow. Let me explain how the workflow actually runs. Whenever a customer sends a WhatsApp message, it triggers this Twilio node. The message goes to the OpenAI assistant, which understands the customer's request. Then it takes the right action like checking a product, finding an order, or creating a support ticket. We've integrated Woocommerce into this workflow. You can also do the same process and connect it to Shopify or any other e-commerce platform you use. So this is how the WhatsApp assistant workflow works for your website. Okay, as you can see here, some of the nodes have warning signs, which means they still need to be set up before everything works properly. To do that, let's move on to the second part of the video, which is to set up the Twilio node. In this setup, we'll use Twilio to connect our workflow with WhatsApp so it can send and receive messages seamlessly. So to set up the Twilio node, we are going to do 4 steps. The first step is to create a Twilio account. To create the account, click the link in the description and it will take you to the Twilio website. Click start for free. First you need to sign in, so I'm going to sign in with my Google account. And now that you've successfully created the Twilio account, we can move on to the next step, which is to get a phone number. Since we're creating a WhatsApp AI agent, we need an official phone number for it. This is the number where customers will send their messages and where the system will send the replies back. We can't use our current WhatsApp number. This is because Meta doesn't allow regular WhatsApp numbers for business use. It has to be a new number that isn't already set up on WhatsApp. So that's why we're getting a fresh one just for this. So to get a phone number for a WhatsApp agent, go to phone numbers in the sidebar, click on manage, then select buy a number. You will then see this list of numbers, so pick any one from it. I'm going to buy this one. Just click on buy. And here you'll see the details of the number. Scroll down, agree to the terms and conditions, then click buy. Once you have bought the number, just close this pop-up and click on active numbers. As you can see, we have successfully got the phone number. Next, we can move on to the third step, which is to enable the WhatsApp services for the phone number. To enable that, go to messaging, click on sender, and select WhatsApp senders. As you can see, since we are on a trial account, we need to upgrade to a paid Twilio account to set up a WhatsApp sender. To do that, click on upgrade. And once you have upgraded your account, you'll get this page. Click on get started, click here, and select the number we just bought. Then click continue. Next, you need to link your business WhatsApp account. Since we just got a phone number, we need to first create a WhatsApp business account. To create a business account, click on continue with Facebook and log in with your Facebook account. Click get started. Here fill in your business details and you need to select your Facebook business page. If you don't have a Facebook business page, you can create one by watching this video. Once you select the page, click next. Again click next to create a WhatsApp business account. Select the category of your business and click next again. Click add a new number and add the phone number we just bought. To get the number, click copy and then paste it here. Click next. Now you will get a verification code to this number. So just scroll down on this page and here you'll find the verification code. Copy this code, paste it here, click next, click continue. Now click finish. Now if you refresh the page, you can see that the status has been changed to live. And now we have successfully enabled the WhatsApp sender service to this number. Now we have a dedicated WhatsApp number for our business, which is ready to handle customer interactions. Now let's move on to the next step, which is to connect this Twilio account to our N8N workflow. And to do that, click on Account Dashboard, scroll down, copy the account SID and paste it here. Next, copy the auth token, go back to the workflow, open this node, click here and click Create New Credentials. Paste it here and click Save. Now close this window and go back to the workflow page. Now once you connect Twilio to the workflow, all the other Twilio nodes will automatically connect and the error icons will disappear. Just open the nodes and you'll see that the credentials are already linked. And that's it. We have successfully set up the Twilio nodes. So you can send and receive WhatsApp messages directly through your workflow. Next, let's go to the third part of the video, which is to set up the OpenAI assistant. OpenAI assistant is used to understand the customer's message and generate a proper response, which then gets delivered through WhatsApp. So to set up the OpenAI assistant, we're going to do 2 steps. The first step is to connect OpenAI to N8N. To connect OpenAI to N8N, click on this node, click here, and create a new credential. Here we need to enter the OpenAI API key. So to get that, click the link below this video, and it will take you to the OpenAI platform. Click Login, select Continue with Google. Now create an API key, click on Create a New Secret Key. Here enter a name and click Create Secret Key. Now copy this key, go back to N8N and paste it here. Once you're done, click Save. And now we have successfully connected OpenAI to N8N. Just close this window. And next, we can move on to the second step, which is to create an OpenAI assistant. To create an assistant in OpenAI, just go back to the OpenAI platform. Go to Assistants. Click Create. Give a name for your assistant. Now we need to add a system instruction. This is basically a rule that guides how the OpenAI assistant should reply every single time. So to get the system instruction, click the link below this video and it will take you to this page. Now this is the prompt that we are going to use to get the system instruction. So just copy this. Go to ChatGPT, paste it here and click Send. Now ChatGPT will ask a few questions about your website. Simply enter your answers. And as you can see, it has created a system prompt tailored to your business needs. Copy this prompt. Go back to this page and paste it here. Now enable this button to allow file search. This way the assistant can access your uploaded files and give answers based on that content. So to upload a file, click here. If you already have a knowledge-based file like a document with your frequently asked questions or business details, you can upload it here. If you don't have one, no worries. Go back to the Google document where we copied the prompt. Go to this tab. Here you'll find a list of sample questions and answers for your business. Copy these into the new document. And customize them with your own business details. Once you customized it with your business details, we'll upload this file to the assistant, allowing it to use the information to answer the customer questions. Now download this file as a PDF. First, let's change the document's name. Click on File, go to Download, and select PDF. And the document will be downloaded. Go back to OpenAI, click Upload, drag and drop the file here, then click Attach. Once done, go back to N8N, click here, and select the WhatsApp AI agent. And that's it. We've now set up the OpenAI assistant to our workflow. Now let's move on to the next part, which is to connect the business tools. In this part, we're going to see how the assistant pulls real data, such as orders, and uses it while responding to customers. So the first step is to connect Woocommerce. Once you connect with Woocommerce, the AI agent can check the products, orders, and the inventory directly from your store. To connect to Woocommerce, let's click on this node. Now click on the drop down here and create a new credential. To connect Woocommerce, here we need to enter the consumer key and the secret ID. So let's go to our WordPress dashboard, hover on Woocommerce and click on Settings. Now click on the Advanced tab and then REST API. Click Add Key and it will ask for the key details. Enter the name here and click on Generate API Key. Now we've got the consumer key and the secret ID. So let's copy the consumer key first, go back to N8N and paste it here. Then copy the secret ID and paste it here. Now you need the website URL, so let's go back to the actual website. Copy the URL and paste it into N8N. Make sure to enable the include credentials in query by clicking this toggle. Now click Save and close this window. So let's go back to the workflow area. Click on the next node and it will connect automatically. Now that we have successfully connected Woocommerce, next we need to connect the support tickets node. Support tickets are basically records of customer issues, questions or requests. When a customer raises an issue that the agent can't resolve or that needs to be addressed by a technical team, the agent will ask for the customer's details. Once they enter that, those details will be stored in a Google Sheet. So let's move on to the next step, which is to connect Google Sheets. To set up the sheet, click the link below this video and it will take you to this page. So let's make a copy of the sheet and rename it. Now we need to remove the sample data. Alright, now that we've got a Google Sheet ready, next we need to set up the Google Cloud to connect this sheet to N8N. To do that, go back to N8N, click on the Create Tickets node Then click here and click Create New Credential. Now we need to enter the client ID and the client secret. To get that, click the link in the description and it will take you to the Google Cloud Console. To get the IDs, we need to create a new project. So click Select a Project, then New Project, enter a name and click Create. As you can see, the project is created. Once the project is created, click Select a Project. Now click here, go to APIs and Services, click OAuth Consent Screen and click Get Started. Here enter a simple name for the app. Then here select your email ID and click Next. Now select External. Again click Next. Enter your email ID again and click Next again. Check the box. Click Continue. Then click Create. Now click on Create OAuth Client. Click here to change the application type. Select Web Application and name it as. Here you need to add the redirect URL from N8N. To get it, switch to N8N and copy the OAuth redirect URL and paste it here and click Create. And as you can see, we've got the client ID. So let's copy it, go back to N8N and paste it here. Next, we need the client secret. So to get it, click OK here. Then click on the edit icon. And here you can see the secret ID. So let's copy it and paste it into N8N. Next, we need to enable the Google Sheets. So to do that, let's go back to Google Cloud. Here search for Sheets. Select the first one and click Enable. So go back to OAuth Consent Screen. Go to Audience. Click Publish App and Confirm. Click here and sign in with your Google account. Let's give it all the permissions here and click Continue. And that's it. We've connected Google Sheets to N8N. Now let's close this window. Then click here and select the sheet that we've created earlier. And that's it. We are successfully connected to Google Sheets. The next node is a memory node that stores the chat. We need to store the chat because it helps the assistant to remember the past conversations so users don't have to repeat themselves every time they interact. However, it does come with some limitations. For WhatsApp specifically, you also have the option to store more chat history if needed. To enable that, first we need to delete this one. So hover here and click Delete. Now click on this icon. From here, you can pick the chat memory tool that you want to use for your workflow. For this setup, we'll use the simple memory option. So let's connect this again with the simple memory and click here to save the workflow. So now we've successfully created our WhatsApp AI agent, and next we need to connect it to our website so that our customers can easily access it. Next, let's see how you can add the WhatsApp agent to our website. Once you complete this step, your website will have a fully functional WhatsApp assistant like this that the visitors can use instantly. I'll be showing you this on WordPress, but don't worry, this also works on platforms like Shopify, Wix, and more. To add this to your WordPress website, go to your WordPress dashboard, click here, right-click on Visit Site, and open it in a new tab. Now go to Edit with Elementor, click on the footer, and click here. Search for HTML. Drag this HTML widget on your page. Let's go back to our Google Docs tab and click on this tab. Now select all this code, copy it, go back to Elementor, and paste the code into a HTML code field. Just edit the brand name. Now to add your phone number, go to the Twilio Active Numbers tab, copy this number, go back to Elementor, and paste it into the phone field in the code. Click Publish. Let's switch to the website tab and refresh the page. You can see that we've got the WhatsApp chat icon here. Now click on the WhatsApp widget icon. And as you can see, we can now start a conversation. And that's it. We have successfully added the WhatsApp agent to our website. Now let's test it and see how it works. Click on Start Chat and click Continue. Go back to N8N. Here we need to activate the workflow, so let's enable this option. Click Got it. And our WhatsApp agent is activated. So I'm going to type hi and send it. And I'm going to ask, I'm looking for watches which are on sale right now. Now if we go to N8N, you can see that our workflow is processing the request. And as you can see, the workflow has been executed and it has given us the details of watches on sale. So let me ask something like this. Recently, I ordered a product and when can I expect the delivery? And I also added my order ID. See, the agent picked up my order ID and gave me the delivery update right away. Next, let's test the customer support feature. I'll enter, I want to speak to your customer support. And the assistant will ask for my details and a description of the issue. You can see that it says the issue has been raised and support will reach out. Now if we open Google Sheets, you can see that a support ticket has been created with the customer's details. You can check this out and proceed with resolving the issue. If your website is not an e-commerce business or not built on WordPress, you can easily modify this workflow by removing the Get Inventory and Get Orders nodes from this section. You can also customize the OpenAI Assistant system prompt based on your specific business or service and add a knowledge base tailored to your needs. And that's it. You have successfully built your own WhatsApp AI agent that can handle product inquiries, order tracking, and customer support tickets. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to Website Learners to see more videos from us. Also, you can get our latest videos directly on WhatsApp. You can just scan the QR or tap the link and hit follow. And that's it. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.